Welcome to the Friday Focus. My name is Dr. O from E&S Orthodontics, and it is November, and we only have 2 more months to the end of the year, and 2016 has gone by really fast. And so today what I wanted to do is kind of just remind you of a couple things, but I know that for people who are employed by large companies, your health benefits renewal's up. And so if you are thinking about doing orthodontic treatment this year, it's a great time to look at the different orthodontic options you have with your dental health employer, dental health insurance. So if you have any questions, please give us a call. One of the things that we're going to do today that's come up is some people wanted to know about the different types of retainers that we use in the office. And so what I wanted to do today was talk about 3 types of retainers that we most commonly use in our practice. And so I'm going to talk about those, and we're going to talk about when we use which ones. And so the first one I'm going to talk about is actually what we call a Holley Retainer. And this is more of a traditional type of retainer. And so this is made of acrylic and wires, and we like to use this on our kids after they've done the first phase of treatment. So if you have a child that has undergone 2 phases of treatment with us, most likely they received a retainer that looks like this. Sometimes we do use this type of retainer after we do comprehensive treatment or full treatment, and those are chosen case by case by me and Dr. Saavedra. The other type of retainer that we more commonly see is this clear retainer, and this is called an Essex Retainer, and we like to use those in our patients after they've done full treatment or comprehensive treatment, or otherwise called phase 2 treatment in our office. It's clear, it's a little bit more comfortable than the retainer and the acrylic, and so we get a lot of compliance. And so a lot of people like wearing these clear retainers because they kind of look like Invisalign. And so this is the retainer of choice that we use. Now, we use this in a little different way than most practices. And the way we use this is we call this an overlay retainer in our office. And what we do is this is our backup retainer, because we usually do on our adults on the lower teeth, we use a little wire. And so we use a bonded retainer, or AKA a permanent retainer. And the reason that we like to use a combination of the Essex retainer plus a bonded retainer with the wire is because we know that left to your left to your control, you may not wear the retainer the way we want. And so what we do is we give you a bonded retainer so that you have something holding your teeth in the position that we left them in after the braces came off. And then we ask you to wear this overlay retainer at night. And so we like to see people wear this 8 hours a day, 8 hours a night, or 8 hours, some combination throughout the day. And then this bonded retainer actually stays in the whole time. So hopefully this gives you a little bit of answers the question of what type of retainers we offer in the office. Again, you'll usually get some combination of the two, and so depending on what stage of treatment you're in and what we think the best type of retainer system would be for you. Okay, hopefully we'll see you. Get ready for the holiday season. If you refer a friend into the practice, we're offering 2 $500 shopping sprees for the holiday season. So call the office, get details about that. Again, refer your friends into the practice, and we will see you next week at the next Friday Focus.